the ultimate guide to copy trading on Bingx, maximizing profits with meme coins. Hey there, crypto fanatics. It's your boy, Ryan, here to share some serious alpha on how to stack those Benjamins using the power of copy trading on Bingx. Now, I know what you're thinking. Meme coins. Isn't that just a bunch of hype and hot air? Well, my dudes, let me tell you, there's a whole lot more to the world of meme coins than meets the eye. And when you combine the wild ride of meme coin investing with the genius of copy trading on Bingx, you've got a recipe for some serious financial gains. So buckle up because we're about to take a deep dive into the nitty-gritty of copy trading on Bingx and how you can use it to ride the wave of meme coin mania. By the time we're done, you're gonna be swimming in so much cash, you won't know what to do with it all. But before we get into the juicy details, let me just say, make sure you use the referral code 911 when you sign up on Bingx. Trust me, it's gonna pay off big time. Now, let's talk copy trading. For those of you who are new to the game, copy trading is a revolutionary investment strategy that allows you to automatically mirror the trades of experienced and successful traders. Basically, you're piggybacking off the expertise of the pros and letting them do all the heavy lifting while you reap the rewards. And when it comes to the world of meme coins, where the market can be as volatile as a rodeo bull, copy trading can be an absolute game changer. Think about it, you've got these super savvy traders who have spent years honing their skills, perfecting their strategies, and navigating the wild west of the crypto world. They know all the tricks of the trade, they can spot a pump and dump from a mile away, and they've got the chops to ride the wave of even the most unpredictable meme coin. Now, imagine being able to tap into that knowledge and expertise and have those traders do all the work for you. That's the power of copy trading on Bingx, my friends. But it's not just about the traders, it's about the platform itself. Bingx is a cryptocurrency exchange that's specifically designed to cater to the needs of copy traders. They've got a user-friendly interface, a robust set of tools and analytics, and a deep pool of talented traders to choose from. And let me tell you, when it comes to meme coins, you're gonna want all the data and insights you can get your hands on. Because, let's be real, meme coins are a whole different beast. They're driven by hype, social media, and pure FOMO rather than the fundamentals that govern the rest of the crypto market. And that can make them a nightmare to navigate if you're flying solo. But with the power of copy trading on Bingx, you can tap into the expertise of traders who have mastered the art of riding the meme coin roller coaster. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, isn't copy trading just a fancy way of saying I'm a lazy investor? Well, my dudes, let me tell you, there's nothing lazy about it. In fact, copy trading on Bingx requires a level of strategic thinking and market analysis that would put most day traders to shame. You've got to do your research, understand the traders you're copying, and constantly monitor the market for any shifts or changes. It's a full-time job, but the payoff can be absolutely insane. Just imagine you could be sitting back, sipping your morning coffee while your Bingx account is raking in the dough. All because you've got a team of meme coin maestros working their magic on your behalf. And let me tell you, when those meme coins start pumping, the gains can be truly mind-boggling. But it's not just about the money, my friends. Copy trading on Bingx can also be an incredible learning experience. By studying the strategies and decision-making processes of the top traders, you can start to develop your own trading instincts and become a more savvy investor. It's like having a personal finance coach, but with the added bonus of making bank in the process. And let's not forget the social aspect of copy trading. On Bingx, you can connect with a community of like-minded investors, share insights and strategies, and even collaborate on trades. It's a whole new way of approaching the crypto market, and it's one that's changing the game for investors of all skill levels. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to ride the meme coin wave and maximize your profits with the power of copy trading, head on over to Bingx and use the referral code 911 to get started. Trust me, your future self is gonna thank you. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure you check the description for all the links and contacts you'll need to get started. This is some serious alpha, so you're not gonna want to miss a single second of it. Let's get this bread, my dudes.